Hi Bareilly, welcome back to another exclusive of at Event Media। और आज मैं आपके साथ हूँ अपने एपिसोड जज्बात एंड जर्नीज में डॉक्टर रूपल गुप्ता के साथ, जो वैसे तो पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं और वाइट कोट पहनती हैं, बट इन्होंने एक अच्छा सा कुछ करने की जिंदगी में जब सोची तो इन्होंने स्टेप आउट किया अपने कंफर्ट जोन से और लेडीज को बताया कि सिर्फ मेडिसिन ही एक प्रोफेशन नहीं है, शी कैन ऑल्सो वॉक ऑन अ रैम्प। तो अभी मैम ने जो है वो ब्यूटी पैजेंट विनर है, मेडिग्लैम मिसेस उत्तर प्रदेश 2025। वेलकम मैम टू द शो। How are you?
Much. Thank you, Vaishali. I'm very fine.
Dr. Rupal, you wear so many hats. You are a pathologist, you are a vocalist, you are a mother, and now a beauty pageant winner. How would you describe your journey? If I want to ask कि एक लाइन में अपने बारे में इस पूरी जर्नी को डिफाइन कीजिए तो क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
My journey had been a roller coaster.
Definitely, definitely.
It has been a roller coaster of science and art. I'd been a very good student since my school days.
Yeah.
I'd been the topper.
Okay.
I taught my 10th standard in boards.
Okay.
And then I got the scholarship in 11th, 12th. In 12th also I topped boards and the whole district I topped.
Okay.
And it was my dream to become a doctor, like my parents are also doctors.
Okay. You basically belong to Bareilly, ma'am?
I belong to Muzaffarnagar.
Muzaffarnagar.
Yeah.
Okay. Born and brought up there.
Yeah, that is my hometown.
Okay.
So since childhood, it was my dream to become a doctor.
Okay.
And side by side, my mother always used to say ki, like, you should have some hobby apart from studies. ठीक है, you're very good in studies, you're the topper, everything, but still you should have a hobby.
Okay, so that hobby actually motivated you. What inspired you basically? जैसे कि ये एक, क्योंकि ये पैजेंट है, ब्यूटी पैजेंट जैसे कहना चाहिए, तो वैसे भी मेडिसिन एक थोड़ा सा बोरिंग प्रोफेशन है अगर कहा जाए तो, है ना? तो उसके मतलब इस तरीके के ब्यूटी पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए किस चीज ने आपको इंस्पिरेशन किया, कहाँ से आई ये प्रेरणा?
Actually, the thing is, I wanted to step out of my medical profession and do something to show that a woman can be multifaceted.
Okay.
And she can have a multi-dimensional personality.
Definitely.
Apart from the medical profession, you can do anything you want, whatever you have dreamt of. And of course, family was also very supportive. Like my husband was the biggest support for me. He literally pushed me to leap, to take a big leap.
Okay, so that is why this is how you wanted to, like, what you wanted came out of your husband's
husband was the biggest support,
motivational support. How was your experience? मतलब वहाँ जैसे मैम कहना चाहिए कि मेडिसिन में एक तरीके से जब आप डॉक्टर हो तो आप होल इंचार्ज हो, पर जब आप इस तरीके की किसी इवेंट में जाते हो तो आपको सरेंडर करना पड़ता है, मतलब आपको अपने आप को सौंपना पड़ता है एक तरीके से कि, तो जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल कैसा रहा कि फ्रॉम द लीडर टू बी अ कंपेटिटर टू सो मेनी का वहां पे जो कंपटीशन में जो और लोग आए होंगे, कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस वहां पे?
So it was a wonderful experience. First of all, it was entirely a very new thing for me. Coming out of my medical profession, I just came out of the medical profession into an entirely different field. And definitely it was बिल्कुल different type का experience था, walking on the ramp with the high heels. I have never worn so high heels in my life. Yeah, it was difficult. And then the tiring sessions of practice and ramp walk, like the training they were giving.
Okay.
Training sessions were tiring, yeah. But definitely I learned a lot from this competition also.
जो पूरा आपका इवेंट रहा है उसमें कुछ, जैसे कभी कभी होता है कि कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट हो जाता है जो जिंदगी भर याद रह जाता है, तो कुछ ऐसा कोई मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो आप उस पूरे?
Definitely, I remember a moment. Okay. I was standing on the stage for, it was almost an hour. मतलब it's a very difficult thing. You're standing in a pose. You're making a pose and then you have to stand for, I think it was more than an hour. Okay. Everybody has to stand, like not only me, but it was a very new thing for me.
मतलब आपने एक पोज बना लिया and then you have to be on those pose.
Like you did your walk, I did my walk. After that, you have to take a pose and you have to stand still. Okay. Making a pose. Till everybody has finished.
Okay. So you were there for that. एक घंटे के लिए आपको एक तरीके से?
एक घंटे तक, and even more than that. So, and then that, it was really tiring.
Okay.
So I was feeling कि I want water, but Of
नहीं
course,
कह
he
सकते आप
can-
वहां पे खड़े होके वहां
couldn't
पे।
say. So it was a new thing, but still, I'll say it was a very nice experience for me.
Okay.
I can never forget this experience. Yeah.
तो जैसे आपने मतलब डॉक्टर का तो आपने ठीक है मैम एजुकेशन लाइन आपकी आई उसके बाद आप बने। अगर आप अपनी क्वालिटीज की बात करो तो मतलब वो कौन सी क्वालिटीज हैं जिन्होंने आपको हेल्प किया इस पेजेंट को जीतने के लिए?
I think my qualities which helped me to win this title were, I'll say my passion, and I wanted to achieve something like
Okay.
apart from my medical profession. I wanted to step out of the medical profession and do
profession.
something there, something
So
different.
basically being
And-
passionate was the
And I was always a dreamer. Like
Acha.
I'm a pathologist, I'm a
हाँ.
doctor, but
जी.
I'm a dreamer by heart.
okay. So that dream you wanted to come true.
And,
You would like to
but I
take-
never thought of doing this thing.
Ah, okay.
I was a singer. I used to sing.
जी, जी,
I've
जी.
done my vocal music, classical
Okay.
music
Okay.
in my childhood, and dance also. Though these both are my hobbies. So like when I'm not observing my slides under my microscope, that time I pursue my hobbies of singing and dancing.
Okay.
But this pageant participation never came in my mind.
What were the challenges basically if we talk about the challenges like because like this is not something you're on a regular routine. ठीक है ट्रेनिंग मिलती है सब चीजें होती हैं बट बेसिकली व्हाट टाइप ऑफ challenges did you face to मतलब like be in the journey of this?
The challenges which I felt the most was to make a work-life balance.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
time balance. So I had to make a schedule. I have to make, and time management was the key, which I had to
definitely.
follow because my profession was also time demanding.
Yes.
And those practice sessions were also, time demanding. And
right.
I have to make a balance between my family life, my profession, and those practicing sessions also.
Definitely.
So I think that was the biggest challenge which I had to face.
And how do you feel like after winning this title? How has your life changed? आपको क्या changes अपनी life में महसूस हुए हैं?
Yeah, I feel that I have become more confident.
Okay.
I have become more compassionate and passionate.
Okay.
Even I've become a more compassionate. I've become a more compassionate doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
now you feel the nerve of the patient.
Yeah, more. I've become a better doctor.
Better doctor.
Yeah.
अच्छा मतलब like pageant winning has made you a better doctor.
Yeah, it has definitely helped me a lot in that aspect also.
Okay, and say obviously this is something different that you have
And now I
done.
can empower others also. I want to give a message to the
Yes,
women
that is
and
what-
girls also that we should be multifaceted. It's not that we should be in one profession, you cannot do anything. And we should not think much about the society, what everyone. You should pursue your dreams.
Okay.
You should dream high, think high, dream high, and should pursue your dreams.
मतलब सोचिए आप लोग भी
सोचिए।
और समझिए उसके
हाँ।
बाद आप बढ़ भी सकते हैं उनके
बड़े बड़े
आगे।
ड्रीम्स देखिए, there is sky is the limit and there is no expiry date of the dreams.
Dreams, right,
Yeah.
very right.
Dream high and aim high, you will achieve your dreams. Definitely you will do it.
Definitely, मैम। मैम जो अभी आपने जैसे मुझे बताया कि you are a pathologist and then you went into this pageant and the most important key was time management.
Yeah.
अगर हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात करें तो how did you plan your schedule कि आपको कितना टाइम किस चीज को देना है और कैसे उस चीज का एक रूटीन जो आपने बनाया क्या उसके की पॉइंट्स हैं जो आप हमारे दर्शकों को बताना चाहोगे?
Actually, while making the schedule, I had to keep this thing in mind that my family, my kids, my husband, my family, and on the top of everything, my profession,
जी.
nothing should be hampered.
Yeah, definitely,
So
definitely.
I keep my profession on the topmost priority,
right.
and family. Then on
Definitely.
family comes definitely on the second number after
जी.
the profession.
right.
Because for a doctor, you have to be dedicated to your profession.
डेफिनेटली मैम डेफिनेटली मैम अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि आप वोकलिस्ट हो आपने ट्रेन भी किया है तो प्रॉपर आपका मतलब एक जैसे आपने कहा कि वोकलिस्ट हो तो आपके मतलब बचपन में ट्रेनिंग हुआ उसके बाद भी आपने
Yeah.
इसको परस्यू किया है क्या?
Yeah,
Medical के
actually,
साथ
I
साथ?
told you like in my school days, I'd been the topper throughout. In 10th, I topped my boards in my school. I got scholarship in 11th and 12th. Then in 12th, I topped the district. And in the meantime, my mother was always like, my mother is gynecologist. My
Okay.
father is also doctor. We all are a family of doctors. Now
Okay.
here also we are a family of doctors.
Doctors only.
Yeah. So my mother was also like, always like, you should pursue any hobby. So like in summer vacations, we have to learn music and dance.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was a compulsory
yeah.
set. Okay.
So slowly and slowly it became my hobby also. Initially it was my mother's hobby. Later on it became my hobby. So हम बचपन में मैंने प्रभाकर का पूरा मैंने क्लासिकल म्यूजिक का मैंने कोर्स करा है और स्कूल में भी हमेशा 12th क्लास तक आई वाज द ओनली वन हु यूज्ड टू प्ले नेशनल एंथम डेली ऑन हारमोनियम।
जी जी जी
तो
डेफिनेटली। तो जैसे मैं साइंस और आर्ट्स दोनों साथ साथ गए, तो अगर आप अगर अपनी बात करो तो कैसे आपको हेल्प किया है आर्ट ने अलोंग विद साइंस? मतलब योर पर्सनालिटी कहीं ना कहीं रिफ्लेक्ट करती है मैम वो चीजें, तो अगर आप उसमें बताओ तो क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन बताओगे आर्ट्स का इन योर मेडिसिन करियर?
Okay, so this thing, this music and this art, you can say, this has make me more resilient and more compassionate. I think so.
जी.
It has make me a better doctor.
Better doctor.
I've become more compassionate with the patients.
Right, right. Means and a stress buster also. I think
it is
so.
Definitely a big stress. These all hobbies are big stress busters for me.
After the
whenever I'm free, whenever I get time, I always do music, singing and dancing, whatever.
जी.
So otherwise, I'm busy watching slides. Whenever I'm free, I pursue my hobbies of singing and dancing.
Okay, so friends, आप लोगों ने देखा कि डॉक्टर रूबल जो हैं वो एक बहुत अच्छी पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं, एक बहुत सक्सेसफुल पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं, मगर जैसा मैम ने कहा कि अगर आप अपने ड्रीम्स को हाई रखते हैं तो स्काई इज योर लिमिट। यू शुड ड्रीम हाई, यू शुड परस्यू योर ड्रीम्स। सिर्फ सोचना ही नहीं है, अगर आप चाहें तो उनके लिए आगे बढ़कर उन पे काम भी करेंगे तो आप जरूर कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा अचीव करेंगे। तो आप लोगों से सबसे गुजारिश है कि मैम की कही हुई बातों पे ध्यान दीजिए एंड देयर इज नो लिमिट फॉर ड्रीमिंग। मैम का बिल्कुल सही एक पर्सपेक्टिव है कि देयर इज नो लिमिट फॉर ड्रीमिंग। जितना ऊंचा आप सोचेंगे और जितना उनके लिए मेहनत करेंगे तो हो सकता है। जब साइंस और आर्ट हाथ में हाथ लेकर चल सकते हैं तो हम आप तो जरूर चलेंगे। जल्दी मिलेंगे आपको कैमरामैन सचिन के साथ, मैं डॉक्टर वैशाली अग्रवाल, जज्बात एंड जर्नीज के एक फुल न्यू एपिसोड में। थैंक यू सो मच, स्टे ट्यून्ड। Thank you,
Thank you so much, Vaishali.